In this video, we will learn to find the value of cotangent of 225 degree. As 225 degree is equal to 270 degree minus 45 degree, so cotangent of 225 degree is equal to cotangent of 270 degree minus 45 degree. As we know, the trigonometry identity cotangent of 270 degree minus x is equal to tangent of x. The video explaining how to derive this identity is appearing in the upper right corner. Also, the URL address of the video has been mentioned in the description section. Let us apply the above identity for cotangent of 225 degree. Here x is 45 degree, so cotangent of 225 degree is equal to tangent of 45 degree. We know the value of tangent of 45 degree is equal to 1. So we get the value of cotangent of 225 degree is equal to 1. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Please press the like button if you liked this video. To view latest videos, do not forget to press the subscribe button and to click the bell icon for notification of the latest video. You are most welcome to express yourself about this video in the comment section, or if you want me to develop a video on any other topic. Thank you.